Okay, so in this video, I will be changing the watch strap of my Casio Moonface. I don't know the exact model name, but people will always say that this looks like an Apple Watch. So why am I changing the strap? It is to curb a little bit of my watch addiction. So instead of trying to find reasons to buy a new watch, why not just upgrade the look of my existing one by changing the strap? And also, I like the strap. I most likely it's an aftermarket Seiko strap, but the thing is that as you can see, my wrist is very skinny. So one thing even though leather strap may be comfortable, one thing I do not like is that it's still loose, even though I already put it at the last hole. So I'm gonna replace it with this, I would say, mesh looking strap where it exists on this with this Casio model as well. But the one I got, the previous owner said that they have changed it to the aftermarket leather, where previously the original one is also a leather from Casio, but Casio leather strap sucks. So I got this strap when I purchased my Suges ST19 chronograph manual winding watch, and Suges is kind enough to give one free strap, which is very good. And this one also has the quick release function as well. So let's get right into it, shall we? So this thing is to remove this leather strap is going to be a little bit difficult because as you can see here, I need to be very careful not to destroy the leather. So yeah, let's start right now, shall we? So I'm gonna use the plastic pin pusher or whatever you call it instead of the metal one, because I think if you use the plastic one, you can what the hell is this? You can minimize the damage. So okay, let's see, where should we push? Okay, I think in order to not destroy the leather, because it's still in good condition, I will keep it for my maybe other watch. So I think I'm gonna push it like this, as you can see. Yeah, I'm not sure whether you can see from here or not, but you can see that mechanism for you to use this pin pusher to push it out. So let's get right into it. You may see a little bit of my head because I need to see as well. Here we go. One out already. Easier than I thought, because the first time when I changed the leather strap, I destroyed it. Okay, now push it in like that. Wait, it's a bit difficult. Okay, push it in. Okay, push it in like that. Make sure that there's a gap there for you to put in the pin pusher. All right, both are out already. Look at that, like this watch. It's hard to find it in the used market, and the new ones, the price for a new variant is very expensive, especially here in Malaysia. So not everyone is selling this as well for used. I don't know why. Maybe it's just not a popular Casio model. I don't know. Okay, now for this one, I will need to be very accurate on where I place, because if you watch my previous video where I was fixing my Rolex Submariner inspired self-built watch, I ended up placing the strap wrongly. So I need to um, redo it again. I think it should be like this if I'm not mistaken. I think it should be like this. Wait. I think it should be this side. Yeah, let's try and see, okay? And I think we need to remove the plastic first. Ah, damn it. This is gonna take some time, folks. Any more plastic? There is. It's bad for the environment. Too much plastic used. Okay. Honestly, this is easier than I thought. Compared to the first time when I was changing one of my first Casio watch strap bought by my dad. Until now, I still love it, but I don't wear it as often because I have too many watches in my collection already. So I need to give equal love to all my watch. But of course, I would definitely love one more than the other. It's like that. Oh my goodness, so tight. That's what she said. Oh, that's what he said. Okay, so let's not F it up. Okay, so for the strap size for this Casio model is 20 millimeters already. I mean, it's 20 millimeters, so it will fit perfectly well. So I think this one should be this side. Okay, so one good thing that's easy to install this new strap is that it has a quick release function. So I don't have to use any pin to push it. But let's just see. Or is it too long already? Fits fits perfectly well. Okay, now up to the next one. Just making sure. Okay. Did I put it correctly? Yes, I put it correctly already. There we go. Very, very easy. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to adjust this one in order to fit into my wrist perfectly. So if this is your first time putting on a strap like this, how do you adjust it? As you can see over here, there's an arrow right here for you to indicating for you to push this thing up in order for you to adjust it like this. As you can see. Okay, so judging that my wrist is very, very small, so let me just put a little bit high. Let me sit back down because it's a little bit hard for me to oops, a little bit hard for me to adjust it as I'm standing up. Just gotta make sure that all the angles are okay. So should be fine. Now let's put on the watch. Oh shit, it's too tight. So I gotta lower it a little bit. Maybe just a little bit like this. Okay, it should work fine now. All right, so the moment of truth, let us put on the watch with this new strap. Oh my goodness, I feel like I have elevated the look of my watch with this new strap. Wait, it's too loose. Okay, there we go. Now a wrist roll to see. Ooh la la. Wow, now I have a reason to wear this watch already. It feels so much nicer. It feels so much nicer. Damn. Oh. Now another one, another wrist roll. Okay, nice. Now let's take a few more close-up shot of this watch. This watch barely gets enough love. Let's fix the zoom a little bit. Okay. Damn. See the Casio engraving, sorry. Nice. Now let's see how does it look like with the strap closed. Shit. One sec. Okay. So here is how it looks like. Let's fix the focus a little bit. Okay, nice. All right. So that will be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and possibly learn at the same time on how to change your watch strap. So thank you all for watching. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care and bye bye. Ooh la la. I think I'll wear this tomorrow for work.